Right, so what was Einstein's theory of selling? Well, when Einstein was a boy, his father had to move because he couldn't close a deal on one big sale. They moved to Zurich, he had to stay in his hometown, and this was a problem. He's a young man, he has to go to boarding school, and he also didn't want to go to the army, so eventually he ran away to go join his parents in Zurich. Now, his theory on selling must have been that I wish my father had learned how to close a deal. And the truth is that many people in companies, they wish that the salespeople would learn how to close a deal, because ultimately, you as a salesperson are in the business because you, the person, has to sit there and close the deals. Your job is closing deals in front of the customer. Ultimately, this is what you need to do. So we look at techniques you can use to best close a deal and create sales for your business.
So, if Mr. Einstein Sr. had known a few pointers about how to close a deal, maybe young Albert wouldn't have had to leave his hometown after all. Closing the deal and really getting down to the nuts and bolts of getting that order is possibly the part that most salespeople fear the most. And it stems back to a lot earlier than the closing process in terms of getting that order. Because the problem begins, or the solution, I should say, begins earlier on. When you've done your needs analysis of your customer and you understand what he wants, and you sell so that he benefits and you benefit at the end of the day. Because it has to be a win-win solution for both of you. But when it comes to closing techniques, in terms of actually getting that order, there are a couple of very, very clever techniques that one can use. And we call them the various types of close. And in our course we discuss these in a lot of depth and teach you all those little nuances and little techniques that really make closing a deal very easy.
Now, selling is a noble profession, but how well you sell is directly proportional to how much money you'll make and how successful you'll be. So invest in yourself. Go and register now for this course, and you'll immediately get to see the results and the benefits of doing this. Go do it now.